we are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say some of the longest words in English and some of the hardest ones, the most difficult to pronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning and having a little fun with it. So how do you say it? Dociousaliexpilisticfragicalirupes. Yeah, I know, it's a mouthful, isn't it? Dociousaliexpilisticfragicalirupes. It's actually easy once you know Dociousaliexpilisticfragicalirupes. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words that many struggle to say correctly. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, or at least like it, that helps quite a bit. Thanks for your support. I'll see you there to learn more. If you enjoy learning more, I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.